If you work in Microsoft Word, learning how to insert figure captions and table titles is one of those small skills that makes your documents look so much more professional. It also saves you a ton of time later, especially if you need automatic numbering, a list of figures, or a list of tables. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add clean, consistent captions to your images and tables in Word. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy word tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and find the figure or table you want to label. The very first thing you need to do is select the object itself. So if it's an image, click it once so it's highlighted. If it's a table, click anywhere inside the table to make sure Word recognizes it. This matters because Word uses the selected object to place the caption in the right spot. Now that the object is selected, go up to the top ribbon and click the References tab. This is where Word keeps a lot of its citation, caption, and indexing tools. Once you're in the References tab, look for the Insert Caption button and click it. This opens the Caption dialog box, which is where the real setup happens. Inside the dialog box, you'll see a label dropdown. Here, choose the correct category for your object. If you're adding a caption to an image, select Figure. If you're adding a title for a table, select Table. Choosing the right label is important because it keeps your document organized and helps Word build automatic lists later on. Next, type the caption text you want to appear. For example, you might write a short description like Figure 1, Sales Growth Chart, or Table 1, Monthly Expenses Summary. Word will automatically include the numbering for you, so you don't have to manually keep track of each figure or table number as your document grows. That's one of the biggest advantages of using the built-in caption tool instead of typing everything by hand. After that, check the position setting. This lets you decide whether the caption appears above or below the selected object. For tables, many people prefer to place the title above the table. For figures or images, captions are often placed below the image. Pick the position that fits your document style or formatting requirements. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Word will insert the caption and number it automatically. If you add more figures or tables later, Word can continue the numbering sequence for you, which keeps everything consistent and much easier to manage. If you need to repeat the process for another image or table, just select the next object, go back to References, click Insert Caption again, choose Figure or Table, type your text, set the position, and press OK. It's the same simple workflow every time, which makes it easy once you've done it once or twice. This is also extremely useful if you plan to create a table of figures or tables later. Because Word tracks these captions automatically, you can build those lists much faster than if you had typed every label manually. That makes your document look polished, organized, and ready for reports, assignments, research papers, or business documents. So to quickly recap, select the object, open the References tab, click Insert Caption, choose Figure or Table, enter your caption text, set the position, and click OK. That's all it takes to add professional-looking captions and titles in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.